So hello everyone. So in this class we will discuss about the number of solution or the number of zeros, or you can say the number of roots of a given polynomial. Okay. Here you see all the three terms, solution or zeros or roots, have the same meaning. Okay. Now, so first we will define what is the meaning of a solution. Okay. For example, let us take an example. Suppose I am taking x plus 3 is equal to 0. You see, x plus 3 is a type of linear polynomial. Why it is a linear polynomial? Because it has two terms. Out of the two terms, the first term has the power 1 and the second term is the constant term, so it has the power 0. So highest power is 1. That is why its degree is 1, since it is known as linear polynomial, as it has the degree 1. Okay, now let us solve it. So x is equal to 0 minus 3, because plus 3 goes to the right hand side, it will be minus 3. Hence x is equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3. This is the solution. So what is the meaning of solution? The meaning of solution is to find the value of x. Okay, here x is equal to minus 3. This is the solution. This is also known as root of polynomial or zero of polynomial. Okay, so here in this case we will get only one value of x. Okay, this is the first example. Let us take one more example. Suppose I am taking an example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is also a linear polynomial. Why it is a linear polynomial? Because it has the highest power 1 and it has the highest power 0. So total highest power is 1. So its degree is 1. That is why it is a linear polynomial. Okay. So let us solve it. So here 2x is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now x is equal to how much? Minus 3 by 2. So here we get x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution of the polynomial, or it is known as 0 or root. And here also you can say it has only one value of x. Okay, it has only one value of x. So from equation 1 or problem 1 and problem 2, we have the same type of polynomial. It is also a linear polynomial. It is also a linear polynomial. And here we have get only one value of x. Here also we get only one value of x. That means it says that any linear polynomial has only one value of x. Okay, or you can say any linear polynomial has only one solution or has only one root. Okay, so I am writing this: a linear polynomial has only one solution, or you can say only one root or 0. Clear? Since it has degree 1, linear polynomial means it has degree 1. Since it has degree 1, that means it has only one 0. Okay, I am writing here because it has degree 1. Clear? Now taking one more example. As in the previous classes we have studied that x square plus 3x plus 4, okay, can be written as x plus 1 into x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2. We have studied this in the previous classes. That means a quadratic polynomial, it has degree 2. That is why it is known as quadratic polynomial. So a quadratic polynomial can be written as the product of, this is the product of other two polynomial, and these two polynomial are linear. This is a linear polynomial. This is also a linear polynomial. Okay. So here you can get that since it is a linear polynomial, that means it has how many solution? It is only one solution. It is also a linear polynomial. That means it has how many solution? It has also one solution. Hence the quadratic polynomial has how many solutions? 1 plus 1, that it has two solutions. Okay. Since the linear polynomial has one solution, this linear polynomial has one solution. That means this quadratic polynomial has 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 solution. So we can write a quadratic polynomial, okay, has 2 solution or 2 0, okay, or you can write or 2 roots. Why it has 2 roots? Because you can see here the degree is 2, that is why the solution is 2. Okay, in the earlier cases the degree is 1, you can say this, the degree is 1, that is why it has only one solution, and here the degree is 2, that is why it has 2 solution. Okay, so I am writing because it has degree 2. So from this 2 example we get the conclusion that if a polynomial has degree 1, then it has one solution. If it has 2 degree, then it has 2 solution. That means the number of solution depends on the degree. Okay, suppose x cube plus 3x. Okay, it is a polynomial, it has the power 3 and it has the power 1. So its degree is 3 because the highest power is 3. So its degree is 3, that means it has how many solution? It has 3 solution. Clear? Suppose x to the power 10 plus 3x plus 5 minus 2x square. It has 4 terms. It has power 10. It has power 1. It is a constant, so power 0. It has power 2. So out of the 4, 10 is the highest power. So degree is, so in this case the degree is 10. That is why how many solution does the polynomial has? It has 10 solution. So finally we get that the degree or the solution of a polynomial depends on the degree. Okay, depends on the degree of polynomial. Okay, so if the solution or if the polynomial, suppose x to the power 131 minus 3 x to the power 20, it is a polynomial, then if the question asks us to find how many solution does the polynomial has, then we can write it has 131 solution, because it has the highest power 131, it has the highest power 20, that means it has the degree 131, that is why the number of solution is 131. So the number of solution of a polynomial depends on the degree of the polynomial. Okay.